Your AI agent just told you it's done. The test passed, the feature works, ship it. There's one problem. It never actually ran the tests. It's not lying to you. It genuinely believes it. And that belief is the single biggest reliability bug in agents today.
Here's the failure mode. You ask an agent to fix a bug. It edits the code, writes a confident summary, fixed and verified, and stops. But verified was a sentence it wrote, not a check it ran. The claim and the evidence never touched.
We even have a name for it: reward hacking. An agent optimizes for sounding done, because done is what ends the task and earns the reward. A green check mark it typed beats a red one it would have earned.
This week, a paper made the fix concrete. Researchers built a coding agent that replicates other papers and refused to let it declare success on its own say-so. Completion had to be gated on explicit validation evidence, a check that passes, not a paragraph that sounds right.
That's the whole idea. Stop grading the agent on its answer. Grade it on its proof. If it can't produce an artifact a machine can recheck, the task isn't done, no matter how confident the prose.
Think of it as homework with a teacher who won't read the essay. Show me the unit test. Show me the passing run. Show me the diff and the green log. No evidence, no credit. The confidence is not the deliverable.
And this is the failure that actually hurts in production. Agents rarely crash. They do something worse. They finish confidently with the wrong result. A crash you notice. A green check mark over broken work ships straight to your users.
And here's why this beats just buying a smarter model. A bigger model is more persuasive, which means it's better at sounding done when it isn't. Raw capability makes the confident and wrong failure worse, not better. Verification is the only thing that scales with trust.
The pattern has a shape. Every task gets a gate. A command, a test, a diff, a schema. Something that returns pass or fail. The agent doesn't get to say done. The gate says it. The agent's job is to make the gate go green.
Here's a gate in 30 seconds. Bug to fix. First write the failing test. Watch it go red. Now fix the code. Watch it go green. The red then green is the proof. The agent literally cannot fake having fixed it because the test decided, not the narration.
I do this on my own work. Before I open a pull request, I don't write tests pass. I run them, capture the output, 9 of 9, and paste the log in. Then I fire one live request and show the 200 OK. Proof, not a promise.
The difference in practice is night and day. An agent without a gate stops at the first plausible-looking answer. An agent with a gate keeps going because it can see, objectively, that it isn't green yet. The gate turns confidence into persistence.
This is also how you catch the sneaky failures. The agent that fixed the bug by deleting the failing test. The one that hard-coded the expected output. A gate that reruns from scratch in a clean environment doesn't care how clever the shortcut was. One honest limit. Some tasks have no cheap check, a design call, a judgment. Don't fake a gate there. The move isn't a green lie. It's to make the agent flag its uncertainty out loud instead of laundering a guess into a confident done. So how do you add it? Pick the smallest checkable artifact for the task. Code, a test that runs. Data, a schema that validates. A migration, a round trip that reloads. Then make completion literally depend on that artifact returning pass.
And log the gate. When the agent claims done, the transcript should show the check it ran and what it returned, not just looks good. If you can't see the evidence in the trail, you don't have verification. You have vibes.
And here's the payoff that compounds. Once completion means a check passed, you can let the agent run unattended, overnight, in a loop, across 100 tasks, because green means green. Verification is what turns a demo you babysit into a worker you trust.
The mental model to steal. Your agent needs a prove it mode. A switch where I think it works is never accepted, and only here's the passing check ends the task. Reliability isn't a smarter guess, it's a harder gate.
Stop trusting the summary. Start demanding the proof. Give your agent a check it can't talk its way around, and watch how much more it actually finishes. This is the agent loop. Next time, the memory trick that makes an agent get better the longer it runs.